Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can make PPT with Tome AI, so PowerPoint presentation basically with Tome AI. Now you need to visit tome.app. This is basically AI PPT maker. You will create a profile, signing in and so on. When you are done, so now you see this official website. Now I will go here to the plan templates and then right here to home. Now we are in our profile home. Now what you can do is just click create with AI in this upper left corner, or you can create from a template. So let's go with create with AI like so. Now we choose a format. We can also choose audience, scenes, tone, pages, and so on. Here you will enter your presentation topic. Now I will just type in hello world, just that we can proceed. And when you submit that, it will make something quick text right here. So it's modifying outline. Now next step, here you will select a template, so whatever you like or you need for your business. So now it doesn't matter which one I select. Next step, and now this PPT will be created, and like that we have created ourselves a PowerPoint presentation about hello world. It's still generating, so now we have 20 and something, 23 pages already. As you can see, it's still making the progress. So this is basically now done. And yeah, we just created ourselves a really nice looking presentation about smart decision making. And yeah, this is how you can create yourself a PPT with AI, basically with Tome AI. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.